Hello, today we are introducing a new floor plan style. BOHO. BOHO is all about comfort and relaxation surrounded by your favorite things. So we've added soft furniture and more rounded elements, mirrors, tables, wardrobes, and other details. We've incorporated the features of the BOHO style into the interior, adding diverse BOHO decor and textiles. Wall art in the nursery, lightweight lamps, fluffy art objects in the living room, and other charming items bring the floor plan to life, making it cozier. We've used warmer and natural colors to make the interior feel natural and refined. This solution fits seamlessly into spaces of any size, shape, and purpose, whether it's an office, bedroom, living room, or even a kitchen and bathroom. Many will appreciate this design for its minimalism and coziness. It's a style for free-spirited individuals unafraid of self-expression. The new style won't leave your clients indifferent. It will charm them and encourage them to stay connected. Floor plans in the new style are already available on our website. Try the BOHO style for real estate sales. Place your first order with a 35% discount. Use the promo code BOHO.